What up, YouTube, man? We done finally made it to the house, y'all. We had a lot going on. We done finally got out here and got everything on the road, man. We done got all our bars finally in time for Christmas, man. I'm telling you, I originally got them and I was gonna try to sell them on the website, but I know it'll sell fast, so I think I'm gonna end up giving back and blessing some of y'all on the channel to my lucky subscribers, y'all. So let me give y'all a glimpse of what we just received, man. I got 2 huge boxes of the bars. I still got more on the way. We're supposed to get a lot more done in LA. I'm not gonna lie, we did do that, but I don't wanna waste the time scattering around. So I'm like, let me just get back out here and get some more stuff done. So basically, Antonio is down there complete with the paint. He waiting on 2 more things, the gas tank and the bag. I just brought another gas tank, so tomorrow morning I'm gonna pick it up and take it straight to him. That gas tank will be done. I'm going with the decal on a gas tank like that, but not that exact one like we done the last 2 bikes. So I'm gonna do something a little bit different with that. I'm gonna get that to him. Then on top of that, we got the guy at the rim shop texted me. I was gonna go there, but I'm like, it's no point. The rim's not done yet. So he was like, yeah, we got 2 sets getting made. The custom set that I'm putting on the 2019 ROADGLIDE right here is literally going on my new bike coming real soon, man. So please stay tuned, y'all. We got a lot going on. We just want another Road King coming to the channel, man. A whole new build. I'm gonna try to hold on to it. I really want to, but at the same time, it's like, I don't know, man. We gonna see, cause I kind of wanted my next bike to really be a Road Glide or a Street Glide. I've been having a lot of Road Kings for myself personally, so it's time to switch it up. But like I said, I'm not really tripping, man. We got a lot of stuff on the road coming to y'all, man. Like I said before, I'm gonna tell y'all again, cause a lot of people keep hitting me up. If you haven't received any of your merch, I promise y'all it's on the way. You should receive an email within the next few hours. Everything will be shipped out by next week for sure. I know the hats, sliding keychains, the sliding and hiding keychains, it'd be like another week until those touch down, but they're on the way. So everything is on the way and in mode right now, man. I'm telling y'all, I done got all my packages, everything in the mail. We ordered them online instead of me going in person, hunting around to 10 stores. So everything will be much more efficient and on the way. That's why I cannot wait, man. That's why I'm telling y'all, get in to win for the silver bullet giveaway with the truck and the Harley, man. It's a whole lot of that going on, and I can't wait to see one of y'all get blessed, man. I'm telling y'all, we going up, man. It's game time. You already know what's going on, man. I want y'all to really get in to win it while it's on sale for $25 right now, man. I'm telling y'all, get in to win it, man. It's game time right now. Y'all get to win the truck and the bike, y'all. But like I said, man, we about to have it going, y'all. What the hell's on my head? We're about to have it going, man, because I'm telling y'all, I really, really want to sell them bars, but I know it's no fun in that. I'd rather give them away and have somebody win them. So that'd be super dope, y'all. So I'm not sure how I'm going to go about it yet, but I'll have more details coming to y'all real soon. Just stay tuned, and I'm going to tell y'all, like I always say, I appreciate everybody for all the support. Everybody, every like, every comment. If you got any merch, any of that, man, it all means everything to your boy, man. Well, like I said, man, we're about to get it going. Finally got me a fresh cut. Let me go show y'all, man, because your boy was looking crazy out here, man. I had to give me a fresh cut. Get your boy right, man. Yes, sir. We're looking like $1 million, hot and ready to take on the world and get this money, y'all. Telling y'all it's game time, man. The paint set is finally done with this bike, and I don't want to hold this up no longer. We got the paint done, powder coat over there done, and the rims is going to be done after this weekend. He said after this weekend is for sure good to go. Both of the front rims is getting made. We only waiting on the back. So that's going to be that, y'all. But in the meantime, between time, like I said, man, we're about to keep it on the road and make greatness. So I'm about to put them legs onto there and get this thing rolling, load it on the back of the truck tonight, get this ready for the frame doctor tomorrow. I got to take off the harness and the brake lines. I can't get the exhaust off because it's up in there. So he should take like literally about a day or 2. Hopefully, I'm gonna try to, because I brought him a lot of customers, so I'm gonna try to get in and out with him in like a day or 2. So soon as we get back, like I said, I don't care. We could take the frame off. I'm not tripping. We could bust it down, powder coat it up, put it together, or we can go ahead and throw the paint on there, put all the pieces. Because my thing is, I need to be giving away this bike with that truck in motion. So what I mean by that is, I'm tired of doing it like this to where I'm still working on this bike and the giveaway is over with. I'd rather have it in motion, so that's why I'm eager to hurry up and get everything done. But my thing is, I can give y'all a lot of bikes that could just be done and all that, which is cool, but I like to make these bikes the way I wanted to, so y'all get to enjoy my work. That's the whole thing of it. It's cool to do it and satisfy everybody else, but at the end of the day, it's like, I'm doing this to put my work around the entire world to y'all supporting and backing me up, so y'all can have my work in a whole nother state, in a whole nother country, and be going up, man. That's how it's supposed to. So that's what we own and what we trying to do, man. That's why I'm trying to keep expanding, keep growing, do smaller little giveaways like the handlebars and bless people. And we're gonna have more than one spot. I got a gang of them, so I could be doing 5 at once and everybody could be going up. So stay tuned, man. We about to get it going, y'all. I'm trying to make everything come into hand and make it happen, man. We just got so much going. That's why I haven't made a video in a while. I had so much going just in life, but we all caught up, got everything going, man. It's time to go up and make a movie, man. I'm telling y'all, it's game time like no other. I love these LED lights, man. We got it going in the garage, y'all. Telling y'all, man, it's literally a movie. We've been doing so much every day. We about to finally get some stuff done, though, for real, y'all. We've been doing a lot every single day, but we got it on the road. We got everything cleaned up in here. I don't know if y'all even noticed, I didn't put my car back in this joint because we didn't make space, and that's gonna put pressure on me to want more space. So we got to finish these bikes. Tomorrow, I got to go to LA to drop that off and to get the paint for that bike and to check on the rims for that thing. And then to buy the legs I'm going to put on here. So that got to be done tomorrow. But after that, when I come back home, we're getting this thing started up so he can get on the road and get to the dyno. So the dyno is about an hour and a half, 2 hours away. We're going to take that out there, get this thing dynoed. This joint will be out of here at the frame doctor. Once it come back, it'll really be bust down, running and driving with the new set of wheels, new powder coat, and the new paint. This thing is hopefully going to get dropped off after this weekend to the Bay Area. So stay tuned, man. I'm trying to literally clear all 3 of these out because we have a brand new bike right now that's in Texas. It's in like Christie, Texas or something like that. Yeah, it's super far. It's at like the bottom. When I looked it up, man, it was damn near like Oklahoma, if I'm not mistaken, or something like that. But it's good though, man. I'm telling y'all, we in a whole new environment. We are in the garage, away from the shop where we was limited and on ice edge. We are literally in the space where I can be creative and do what I really want to do at my own pace, any time of the day, any time of the night, man. So that's the whole thing about it, man. We're trying to keep elevating, getting to the top, keep bringing better bikes, getting better and better, elevating our game, man. That's the whole thing about it. We have to keep elevating everything we do with all of this stuff, because at the end of the day, man, it's my name on it. So my name got to speak for itself without me being there talking. So that's why I want all these bikes to look like something. So I'm sorry to the people who be entering for me taking so long getting everything going, but it's that I really want my work to look like something, y'all. I'm not trying to just produce anything. I want my stuff to look like something. So when I can look back at the end of the year or whatever, like I didn't produce some super nice wet bikes, man. So that's the whole thing about it. I really enjoy what I do and anything with my name on it. So I have to make sure it's exactly what I want it to be. But like I said, man, I appreciate everybody for all the support. If you tuned in to win this joint, I apologize for the long wait for y'all, but I'm telling y'all, this bike is going to be worth it. It's about to be buzzed down, looking good. I'm telling y'all, y'all going to love it. I'm telling you. So I can't wait. The silver bullet giveaway sounds so boring when you hear silver, but the little taste and little touch that we're going to do to this bike is going to look that much better. I'm telling y'all. It'd be the simplest stuff with these, like the little red washers, chrome Allens, just make everything stand out. Then you get up close, you're like, whoa, I didn't even see that. Like small little simple stuff, man. He got the blue Allens with the chrome. He even got them inside that joint right there, man. Got them a little bit of everywhere. But that's the whole thing about it. Like I said, man, we're trying to make everything stand out and look better than what it is. That's why I'm telling y'all, man. I appreciate y'all so much because y'all don't even understand the level of this stuff. Every day, I'm literally getting better, trying to get to the top and get to the next level. And I try to bring it back to my YouTube platform to show y'all, my main supporters, what we about to do next, because it's all going to be for y'all at the end of the day, man. I'm telling y'all, we got to get in to win it, man, because it could be you and it's your time, y'all. All you got to do is literally go in the description below and get at it, man. And I could be doing a lot of other stuff, but I have to really make this video real fast for y'all because I'll be on the move. And when I be doing stuff like this, not uploading for a day or two, I will be backed up on a million different videos all over the place. So I have to just make some for y'all real quick to give y'all an update on all the bike, the paint, the rims, everything that's going in hand right now, man, because there's so much going on and I'm really trying to get everything on the road. We're just taking it day by day, little by little, step by step, so we don't make no mistakes and go about it the right way. So that's the whole thing about it, man. I'm telling y'all, we're working, getting it in, making it happen, man. I'm telling y'all, we only got a few amount of spots left. Like I said, all the rest of the merch, if you haven't received it, shall be to you within this next week. So stay tuned. You should have an email update with a tracking number and all that good stuff within the next few amount of hours, y'all. So make sure y'all get in to win it, man. I'm telling y'all, we literally have about less than 10 sliding keychains. I have to put like another couple extra I had to the side. I forgot about that was boxed up because I got so many boxes in the house, but we damn near almost sold out of them. So we only got a few of them sliding keychains left. Those should be damn near sold out. Hopefully by tonight, hopefully. If not, tomorrow they should sell out. Then the sliding on hiding keychains is on edge too. So make sure y'all get in to win. I'm telling y'all, I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers, so I'm trying to get up there to 10,000. That's the whole reason why I'm trying to do something small and simple, like giving away some bars to the lucky people who've been supporting me, locked in and tuned in for the past couple of years. So I've been doing YouTube really like the past like year and a half. So it's just the smallest little appreciation that goes from me to y'all, man, because I'm telling y'all put in the effort every day, tuning in, watching, liking, and subscribing, man, supporting your boy. So I appreciate it from me to you, my family to yours, man. You already know it's all love at the end of the day. But like I said, I'm about to get in this crib. We've been running around all day. I'm about to get some stuff going. Like I said, I had to make this video for y'all because I got so many different videos, everything I've been doing from this past week, but I had to just make one solid quick video. I wanted to go live, but my phone is tripping. That's why I had to pull out the camera. But like I said, we are on to the next thing, man. I'm telling y'all, we got the bars in here, and I'm gonna tell y'all right now, these are not made by me. These are not bars by Dre. This is literally from my manufacturer that I've been getting bars from for a minute right here. We got about 10, then I got 3 in the house, so we got about 13 sets, and I have like another good amount of bulk load coming in, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, I have my manufacturer reach out to me because I've been trying to get a couple more bars, and I was telling them, like, I'll be working on them, doing my own thing. So a lot of customers I deal with be wanting to get bars to where I don't have to try to put my name on them. I can just literally get them from you, take it to them. I'm not trying to make nothing crazy on top or none of that. I just want to build my business and elevate by all means. So that's what we doing, man. We trying to literally connect the dots and make everything happen to where we'll have everything listed up that we want, and y'all could come and support your boy Dre. I could come and support y'all, install it or whatever. If y'all out here local, we could set that up. If not, I have no problem shipping them to y'all or getting them powder coated, anything of that sort. As long as we got the color codes and everything on hand, we gonna make it happen, y'all. But like I said, it'll be real affordable for everybody. That's one thing for sure, man. We all got stuff going, so it got to be at the right price for everybody to want to get in and get on it, man. But like I said, we sliding, not hiding. Y'all, appreciate y'all for watching, man. We getting it in, making it happen, man. Y'all already know what's going on, man. We about to have this thing wet and done. I'm telling y'all, get in to win it, man. I'm trying to get this giveaway over with before Christmas, but like I said, I can't just give it away. That truck costs a lot of money, even this bike, man. So we gotta get what we need, man. We have to. It's no other way, y'all. We have to. So once we get there, you already know it's game time. We selling out. Everybody gonna have their number. We going live on YouTube, man. All updates will be posted on the community tab. If you haven't, it's your first time entering a giveaway, your number will be posted on there. Once we go from there, we'll be going live. I will announce the winner and everything on live. Please ignore all them spam comments and all those BS comments. I will never tell nobody they won. If y'all ever watch any of my lives or giving away anything, I always went live and called the winner and gave it away. I never commented and said, hey, you won, da-da-da. We're not doing that. We're doing it live, up close for everybody to see because everybody spent their money on that item. So everybody needs to see that. So that's the whole thing about it, man. So stay tuned. I appreciate y'all, man. We sliding, not hiding, man. We getting it in, making it happen. I appreciate y'all more than ever, man. We about to get it going and get these bikes on the way, man. But I have to get this in for y'all real quick to give y'all an update because I know everybody's wondering, like, what the hell's going on? But we're about to get it going, y'all. Stay tuned, man. We making it happen, man.